Also, I have here an Super Mega Art. And kanina nag-start ako ng sharpen, tas hindi po pa rin. Oh, ang tagal.
Ha?
So, there. Malapit na siya. Yeah, maka-drawing na ako. Tapos pala wala akong sketchbook. Okay na to, guys. Ay, okay. Walang eraser dito. Kung magpuno kayo. Okay lang kasi may eraser kasi siya. Kung magbili kayo ng Super Mega Art, may nasa mama ko. Wait lang.
Sibat sila. Awat mo ah.
Hindi talaga siya ma-open.
Pinagdagal ito kung ano? Pagkaroon.
Guys, malapit na tapos yung time. Gusto ko open na talaga ako. Oh, may eraser na siya. Natanggal ko na sa niya. So, let's put it here. Baka ma-dirt. Put it here. And, hindi pa kasi ito dirty yung sharpener. So, let's put it here. Kasi, if you will not put here, it will break. It will, ano yung blade niya ma-break. Hindi na siya maka-sharpen. So, alam nyo guys, may paint din to siya. Ayan, hindi lang siya matanggal kasi dito niya nilang inlagay. Tapos yung brush, paint brush. Pwede na to siya. Tapos dito yung lalagyan ng tubig. Tapos i-clean mo. And, uy, kalimutan ko pala yung brush. Ayan, baka masira yung brush. Yung petals niya. Kasi magkuha lang ako na sa different pang lagay nito. Mama,
All right, you take care. Drive safe.
Nakanawa na dito na, dapat ay hangin dito na sa kwan na, insidiyan.
na naman,
Palit yung pipino na.
it's lang.
Yeah, and I know, favorite sa mga nakmasok dito, ano? Kaya, picture mo na.
Now it's ready. So, ayan.
Guys,
Dito sa akin, chinek ko. Joke lang, akin to guys. Uy. Kasi, sabi ko sa mama ko na, Mama, bilhan mo ko ng pencil colors. Ano eh?
Pipino, Inday.
Mila. Kaya akin, oh, pipino. Tapos, inform ako sa mama ko, guys, no? Sabi niya na, ito na lang sa'yo kasi kapoy na, ano na daw siya, pagod na daw siya, magpunta-punta sa ano pa. Tapos sabi ko, oh, sige, akin ba yan? Sabi ng mama ko, oo, hindi ko na tingnan. Tapos palagi ko sabi na, Mama, akin ba yan? Mama, akin ba yan? And ano items mo? Tapos, pag uwi niya, nag-sleep man ako noon. Pag uwi niya, may cellophane ito. Tapos, inopen ko, kakaisa.
I'm serious, man. That's so funny. You live in a trailer. You had a photo book. Okay? And you got $50 to your name on a good day.
Ay, wala ko siyang stock. Eh,
Look, I love you to death. And the whole flip-flopping board short thing is cute.
wow! Ito pala yun! Nandun yung best friend ko nito na si Chloe Ababon. So, she's the one, she sponsored this. And 24 colors and 2 colors.
You'd be that guy.
And 48
No one cares winners.
crayons.
Winners make the rules, and losers
And
live by them.
El Paso is
It's a one-time thing. 2.5.
48 2-color, oil pastel, and this will be 48, I think. 24 marker and 12 watercolor cake. So this is it. There. Kailangan dapat kasi, guys, hindi ito ma-dirty. Kasi nung binilhan ako ng mama ko ng nito, na-dirty siya. Tapos, yun na. And eraser, and sharpener, and ma, ano ningit lang? Plastic palette to, ma. Ma, plastic palette to. Okay, plastic palette. I don't know what is plastic palette. What's a plastic palette, ma? So, next, glue. Glue kasi talaga. Kasi, ayun is glue. Mini glue as liit masyado. Kaya plastic palette, the same na lang sila. Ay, hindi. Mas malaki yung plastic palette. And one pencil. Walang eraser kasi nabanggit ko na kanina. Eraser. So, mulit natin mag-color. So, this is all what in the oh, yeah!
Plano.
Next. Let's do not close it kasi gagamitin pa natin. So, let's set aside. Let's get the face scratch. I don't know why is happening like this. That oh my god. So we cannot press the pencil because if we will not press the pencil, it will become super glossy. Yeah. Let's use the color today, the marker. If Mama told me na do not use the marker, the pastel, and the crayon, and all of it, I don't have a color. But I'll use this. Stop. Ito the first aid, guys. Is
Gotta go. I gotta go to work. Maybe mama harass me. Alright, see you, Daddy. I'll see you later, alright? Yeah.
so it's so super glossy, guys, if you see it. Because, you know, I didn't work for hard for drones. Because I didn't know what is drone.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, we're
Busy sa cellphone. Yeah, busy sa cellphone. Ako nag-drawing lang ko dyan. Kuya Tito ko siya. Tawagin ko lang kasi siya ni Kuya.
Hey, what's up?
Pero kayo nabisa problem.
So it's in 3 lines. I don't know how to make it in. First, let's erase it again. It will not come.
Yeah. He's a local, I know him.
It really hurts.
Hindi na ba?
Alam niyo yun kay Mew. Na it really hurts. Ang dami na viewers niya. Pati sa MF.
Here's the deal. Mom,
Gusto ng
everything's
kuya
fine.
ko.
It's fine. It's fine. You guys are...
Kaya daw kasi wala siyang joke.
Okay, come on. Hey, come on. No. Fresh my car. Some of the bench free.
I think this is so beautiful.
You found my phone.
Let's put the essence here.
Because I mean, just...
Sana nga, video lang.
Kaya,
Para sa nga.
post ako sa Facebook.
Somebody working.
Ano naman? Nung hindi ko ka-video. Ulit uyan. Wait uyan.
Have some fools. You might have time to try and say back to you. You're okay. Okay, now that's
Hindi ako marunong mag-drawing ng leaves.
I don't care how this stuff comes back to you. I just want you back.
Or apples.
That is all.
So, that's it. Now, we need an let's put an pickle first. Here. Put an dress and shoes. Yeah, and there. So, it's only a stickman, a little mini people in there. Only one. It's a so we just need a bitch. We have bitch marker. Oh. And black. I need a black for the hair. Sky. Let me try first if this is the sky.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that sounds good.
Because we need this. Why? I don't have white, but it's okay because
We don't have the equipment we need to
What?
adjust it up. It's
narrow. But I have to pass the white and of my color pencil
Give me money.
is none of white. It's so white you can see it. But let's borrow for my colors and oil pastel. Rain. And now, ha? Unsa me? Unsa me? Unsa? Dili ko la si mami. Unsa me? Kung ginitingog wala tayo kay white. So next what should I pick for the color? For the girl. In the markers I don't have pink. Yep.
I don't understand what the problem is there. You go down there,
Let's
you go down that
color it
you bring
red.
up the codes, you deal with these morons, and then in a month,
Oh my
one
god.
Discovery Channel. Up to our knees in treasure.
Green. Do I have a green here? Is this the green? Original green. Oh yeah. It's an original green. So I have color 1. Next, red I have. Green I have. For the brown, yeah.
It's all good. This helps.
Brown.
Jared looked it up. It's all
Or the birds in the blue.
See green, she squeaks.
Sam. Come in. Alright, we're all in this together, alright?
So, and the last but not the least, yellow for this one.
See on the 10 o'clock news.
What?
You heard me.
Orange, 'cause you just need yellow, orange. It's so heat. Yellow. So now, let's put back the pencil here. Next, we will color.
This is effort. It's over.
So we just need
That's it.
to color only the that is green. Wanna trace it, cause let's color it in color pencil and color. I can't do it, guys. Baka mag-easy siya. So sorry. Sorry kayo dyan. Hindi kasi siya mag-color kasi alam nyo na guys, baka mag-gising. So for the brown here, for the red, oh we're not doing it. Yep, I'll do it. For the black, lagi. For here is, oh my god, I smell so spicy. Ma, did you put a little bit spicy in there?
Ano ta? Nak, sabi na lang daw mo water na.
Mamaya na ako kasi magkain kami. See you tomorrow cause it's my class. Means, lagi. Ita guys, mamaya ko na muna i-close. Diyan ka lang muna, walang maghiga dito. Bye!